I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. This is just my opinion for conversation's sake. Hey everyone, Tyson here. So I mentioned it in a couple other videos, but I want to go over this trade on American Group, MRRCF. Just really like the chart. I mean, obviously at $1, if you look back, I'm looking at a 3-year chart. It's a longer term, but $1 is a very strong bounce point. Went up like every other cannabis stock at the end of 2018, and then it's gone back down. Now, where it was before it started that up, $1. So that was my point. That's been my point on all of them at this point is, you know, getting back to the initial, you know, where they were before they spiked, and the first time touching down on that, they normally tend to spike pretty heavy. So I've been catching those on a few of these small cannabis stocks, and so bought at 90. I didn't go $1. You know, like I mentioned in other videos. I mean, you can get real greedy right now in the cannabis industry because everything's so low. So you know, the point that I was comfortable buying is anything under $1. Put in my order at 90. Let me go to more recently where we're at. Okay, so I put in at 90. Right below, you see there where it's at 83. Okay, you see that right there. They got to it got to that low. I actually bought it on the way down. I had my order in at 90. Once it got below $1, it filled at 90, went down to 83, and then instantly bounced up to like 110, 111. I actually sold, and I've got the thumbnail for this video. And maybe I'll put it in the video as well, is just the part of the TD Ameritrade confirmation where it's telling me, you know, what I bought and sold at. So bought at 90, sold at 111. I mean, it sold right at the top of this spike. It was this, I mean, not right at the top, but close. I mean, this is the little spike that we're looking at right here, this last one that went up over 110. So yeah, I mean, good timing. I just happened to look at it and went, you know what? I'm selling this thing right now. And I wanted to take a shorter position on it anyway. I've been selling some other ones at 50, 100%. I said, no, you know what? 15, 20%. Let's just start picking some of these off. So $400 at it, a little under 400, 380 something. Came out with about 450 something. So yeah, you can't ask for much more than that. Shit, 17% in 5 days. So yeah, that's what I did on that. Will I get back in on this one? I don't. Not now. I mean, if it goes back down towards the 80 range, I mean, 75 or, you know, 85, something there, I'll start to pay attention. But I don't know. I mean, this is just one. Like I said, it hit $1 for the first time since that spike, and I knew other people would be paying attention to it, so I knew. I mean, you know, probably a 15% jump wouldn't be anything too crazy. I mean, it's pretty common, and you know, after when you get back down like that. So anyway, that's what I did on that. Worked out for me. You know, my timing was really good on it, obviously. But yeah, I'm happy with it. So have you guys traded American? Does anybody hold positions long? Seems like a pretty solid. I mean, I did research on the company before I bought into it, even for the short-term trade, and really liked what I saw. So who's invested long in it, and if so, why? You know, because I'm still considering taking a long position in it. I just, you know, I'm not entirely sure at this point. So anyway, let me know, and thank you for watching. If I mean, I'm posting new videos on cannabis and cryptocurrency, cannabis stocks, cryptocurrency coins on a regular basis. So just building up a group, building up a community so that we can all talk and we can all make some money together. All right, guys.